Hey there, wellness enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about harnessing the power of nature for improved mental well-being. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Connect with your surroundings. Take a moment to notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. This helps you stay present and focused. 2. Practice mindful walking. Pay attention to each step, noticing the sensation of your feet touching the ground. This can help calm your mind and reduce stress. 3. Use nature as a meditation anchor. Choose an object in nature like a leaf or a rock and use it as a focus for your meditation practice. Try these simple tips and see how spending time in nature can positively impact your mental well-being. Mindfulness.